Hello, shining stars. So, your educator Aprajita is here with a new English lesson of class 7th. So, we start with chapter number 6 here, and the chapter is Story of a Brave Indian. एक बहादुर इंडियन की कहानी पढ़ेंगे आज हम. So, let's start it. Warming up. In your opinion, which one of the following is the bravest deed? यहाँ कुछ deeds दी गई हैं, कुछ काम जो हैं वो लिखे गए हैं और उनमें से आपके हिसाब से कौन सा सबसे bravest काम है? Let's read it. A man rushes across the road to help a lady who has fallen down. एक आदमी दौड़ के जाता है किसको बचाने के लिए? एक लेडी को जो कि गिर गई है रोड पे. Next is a child jumps out of the classroom window to catch a squirrel. एक गिलहरी को पकड़ने के लिए एक बच्चा कहाँ से जंप करता है? क्लासरूम की विंडो से. A young girl risks her life to save her younger brother from fire. A pilot makes an emergency landing to save the lives of 200 passengers aboard. Now, compare your answer with your partner. अब आपने इनमें से जो आपको सबसे ब्रेवेस्ट डीड लगता है वो आपने लिखा, आपने टिक किया उसको और आपके पार्टनर ने भी टिक किया. अब आप दोनों अपना आंसर्स कंपेयर कीजिए. एक्सप्लेन टू योर पार्टनर व्हाई द डीड यू हैव सिलेक्टेड इज द ब्रेवेस्ट ऑफ ऑल. और आपको जो डीड सबसे ब्रेव लगा वो आपको क्यों लगा वो आप अपने पार्टनर से डिस्कस कीजिए और उसका जो उसने टिक किया है जो ब्रेवेस्ट डीड उससे पूछिए कि उसको क्यों ये डीड सबसे ब्रेव लगा. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द चैप्टर हियर. नीजा भनोट was born to Harish and Rama Bhanot on 7th September 1963 in Chandigarh. ये नीजा भनोट की स्टोरी है and I hope many of you must have heard about नीजा भनोट. अगर नहीं सुना है तो अभी इस चैप्टर को जब हम पढ़ेंगे तो आपको पता चल जाएगा who was she. Later the family moved to Mumbai, then called Bombay. Neerja was a sensitive and compassionate young woman. बहुत सेंसिटिव थी और कंपैशनेट भी थी अपने वर्क को लेके. Her inner beauty reflected on her serene, beautiful face. और जो उसकी अंदर की इनर ब्यूटी थी वो उसके फेस पे दिखती थी. Following a conventional arranged marriage in 1985, she joined her husband in the Gulf. 1985 में उसकी मैरिज हुई. Under the strain of dowry pressures, Neerja returned home to her parents in Bombay within 2 months. और 2 months के अंदर ही वो अपने हस्बैंड के यहाँ से वापस अपने घर आ गई क्योंकि उसकी मैरिज के बाद उसके ऊपर डाउरी का दहेज का प्रेशर था. Neerja was a woman of dignity and strength. She would not relent to pressure of dowry. क्योंकि वो उसकी अपनी डिग्निटी और अपनी स्ट्रेंथ थी तो उसने वो डाउरी के प्रेशर से वो बाहर निकल आई. Her husband set humiliating conditions for her return to him. And Neerja's family did not comply. The marriage had turned sour. Neerja decided to move on in life and she signed a modeling contract. अब नीरजा ने अपने हस्बैंड का घर छोड़ दिया था and she decided to move on और उसने एक modeling contract sign किया. A little later she undertook the training for a flight pursuer with Pan Am और उसके बाद उसने एक flying training as a flight pursuer उसने किया किसके साथ? Pan Am के साथ. Immensely dedicated, Neerja made a responsible and committed flight attendant. She was very dedicated towards her work. तो Neerja एक committed और responsible flight attendant बन गई. On 5th September 1986, she had returned from a day-long shoot for a modeling assignment. एक मॉडलिंग असाइनमेंट से वो वापस आई पूरे दिन का शूट करने के बाद. She was the senior flight pursuer on the flight on which her courage was to be tested. The test that made her so very special to our country, to humanity. Now, ये जो फ्लाइट थी जिसमें उसको एक सीनियर फ्लाइट पर्सुअर के रूप में जाना था, उस फ्लाइट में उसने उसको एक स्पेशल कैरेक्टर बना दिया, कंट्री के लिए, हमारे कंट्री का प्राइड बना दिया। एट कराची द प्लेन वॉज हाईजैक्ड बाय 4 हेविली आर्म्ड टेररिस्ट। और कराची जैसे वो प्लेन पहुंचा तो उस प्लेन को हाईजैक कर लिया गया था। किसने हाईजैक किया था? टेररिस्ट ने। Immediately Nija rushed towards the cockpit to inform the captain. A terrorist caught her by her ponytail, but she managed to shout the hijack code. अब जब ये लोग फ्लाइट का जो भी ट्रेनिंग इनको दी जाती है, दे आर मेड अवेयर विद द कोड लैंग्वेजेस भी इनको पता होते हैं कि किस कोड में बात करना है, कैसे एक दूसरे को मैसेज कन्वे करना है अगर ऐसी कुछ सिचुएशन होती है। तो जैसे ही नीरजा को पता चला कि फ़्लाइट हाईजैक हो गई है, वो कॉकपिट की तरफ भागी। किसको बताने के लिए? पायलट को बताने के लिए कि प्लेन हैज़ बीन हाईजैक्ड। लेकिन एक टेररिस्ट ने उसको उसके पोनीटेल से पकड़ लिया, लेकिन फिर भी नीरजा ने ज़ोर से चिल्ला के वो कोड बता दिया। A terrorist caught her by her ponytail, but she managed. अब वो हाईजैक कोड तो उसने बता दिया। Another flight attendant who caught the code conveyed it ahead. अब एक और फ्लाइट अटेंडेंट था, उसने जब वो कोड सुना तो उसने आगे पास ऑन कर दिया। What followed was a traumatic experience for all those on board. The 3-member cockpit crew of pilot, co-pilot, and the flight engineer exhibit great cowardice. They deserted the plane and the 360 passengers and a 13-member cabin crew were left in the hands of heartless terrorists. Now see, ये जो क्रू था, कॉकपिट क्रू में कौन कौन थे? एक पायलट, को पायलट और फ्लाइट इंजीनियर। ये इतने डरपोक निकले कि इन्होंने फ्लाइट को छोड़ दिया, वहीं पे सबको छोड़ के वो भाग गए। और उसमें 360 पैसेंजर्स थे और 13 मेंबर केबिन क्रू था। नीरजा वॉज द केबिन क्रू लीडर with grit and a deep sense of duty. She took over command. अब नीरजा ने पूरा कमांड अपने हाथों में ले लिया जब उसने देखा कि पायलट, को पायलट और फ्लाइट इंजीनियर भाग गए हैं वहाँ से। She kept the passengers calm and ensured that they were comforted. She continued to serve and attend to the passengers' needs. पैसेंजर्स की नीड्स को वो पूरा करती रही, उनको कंफर्ट में रखा। She realized that the terrorists would harm the American passengers the most. उसको ये पता था कि ये जो टेररिस्ट हैं वो अमेरिकन पैसेंजर्स को सबसे ज़्यादा हार्म पहुँचाएंगे। Hoping to confuse the terrorists about their identity, she discreetly collected all the American passports and hid them. उसने क्या किया? उसने चुपके से सारे अमेरिकन पासपोर्ट्स कलेक्ट कर लिए और उनको छुपा दिया। The trauma of hijack continued for about 17 hours. 17 hours ये चला. Since the power had begun to fall, the lights became dim. अब प्लेन का भी पावर कम होने लगा था और फ्यूल भी कम होने लगा था, लाइट्स डिम होने लगी थी। The terrorists thought that the passengers would try to escape in the darkness and it would be difficult to hold them at ransom. They began firing at random. अब उन्होंने सोचा टेररिस्ट ने कि अब ये जो डार्क होने लगा है, धीरे धीरे अंधेरा होने लगा है, तो इसमें लोग भागने की कोशिश करेंगे बचने के लिए, तो उन्होंने फायर ओपन कर दिया, फायर करने लगे। Immediately Nija rushed to the emergency door and pushed it open. वो दौड़ के इमरजेंसी डोर की तरफ गई और उसको खोल दिया। Desperately she cried, "Get out, run!" These words have been forgotten by the survivors. Now, उसने वो इमरजेंसी डोर खोल के चिल्लाने लगी कि भागो यहाँ से। They can also recall how she guided and pushed people down the chute. और उसने धक्का देना शुरू किया, सबको नीचे उतारना शुरू किया। The passengers, they remember this. The most touching part of the entire experience was her death. जो पैसेंजर्स ने वहाँ एक्सपीरियंस किया उसका सबसे जो खराब पार्ट था वो था नीरजा की डेथ। While trying to protect 3 children, she absorbed the onslaughts of bullets that pierced her body. 3 बच्चों को जब वो बचा रही थी तो वो बुलेट्स जो आए थे वो उसने अपनी बॉडी पे लिए। The citation by Pan Am rightly says, Nirja was called upon under the most difficult conditions, at the most difficult time, to step forward in a position of leadership. Pan Am नीरजा के लिए बोलते हैं. And her heroic actions were clearly responsible for saving hundreds of lives. और उसने hundreds of lives बचाई अपने heroic action से, अपनी बहादुरी से. The Weekend Review remarked, अब ये सब नीरजा की डेथ के बाद ये सब रिव्यूज़ उसके लिए दिए. पहले पैन एम ने दिया, उसके बाद वीकेंड रिव्यू क्या था. She was brave in life, brave in death, the only stewardess to have commanded an aircraft and held the hijackers at bay was an Indian. Neerja Bhanot received the Ashok Chakra, India's highest civilian award for bravery. उसको अशोक चक्र दिया गया जो इंडिया का हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड होता है. अशोक चक्र साइटेशन सेज, अब उस पर क्या लिखा है. Her loyalties to the passengers of the aircraft in distress will forever be a lasting tribute to the finest qualities of the human spirits. She was awarded the Tamga-e-Insaniyat, पाकिस्तान से उसको ये तमगा-ए-इंसानियत का अवार्ड मिला. Flight Safety Foundation Award and also the Medal of Heroism of the National Society of the Sons of the American Revolution. All these awards she got after her death. Neerja's parents were shattered yet proud of their daughter's heroism. They set up a trust with an initial amount of 36.5 lakh rupees. The trust honors and awards those who reflect the heroic qualities of Neerja's character. अब उसके पेरेंट्स ने एक 36.5 लाख के इनिशियल अमाउंट से एक ट्रस्ट ओपन किया और वो ट्रस्ट किसको ऑनर करता है, किसको अवार्ड देता है, जो कि नीरजा के जैसा कैरेक्टर था वैसा ही हेरोइक क्वालिटीज जिसमें होती हैं. The trust gives 2 annual awards of 1.5 lakh each. One award goes to an airline crew member who acts beyond the call of duty under trying circumstances anywhere in the world. The other award goes to an Indian woman who has fought against social injustice, क्योंकि नीरजा भनोट भी social injustice का शिकार हुई थी, like dowry and desertion. These awards keep alive the memory of one of the bravest women of our country. ये जो awards दिए जाते हैं ट्रस्ट के द्वारा, ये नीरजा भनोट की जो मेमोरी है उसको जिंदा रखते हैं, because she was the bravest woman of the country and we all Indians are very proud of Neerja Bhanot. Now children, please go through these word meanings. Here are some word meanings given. Now let's do some comprehension. Darken the correct option in OMR sheet. So आपको OMR sheet पे fill करना है. Let's fill the options here. Neerja was a young woman of immense self-respect, with a lot of pride, with a strong desire for popularity, all of the above. She was a young woman of immense self-respect. The plane was hijacked at the Dash airport, Karachi, Delhi, Mumbai, none of these. Karachi. The 3-member cockpit crew exhibit their valor, cowardice, intelligence, none of these, cowardice. It began to get dark inside the aircraft because one of the hijackers had turned off the lights, power began to fail, the sun had set, all of the above, because the power began to fail. Now next is fill in the blanks. There are some words given in the box. Let's read them first and then we will fill the blanks. Strength, 17. Ashok Chakra, 7 September 1963. Neerja Bhanot was born on Dash in Chandigarh. She was born on 7 September 1963. So we have to write down here 7 September 1963. Neerja was a woman of dignity and strength. She was a woman of dignity and strength. Next is the trauma of hijack continued for about dash hours. कितने घंटे चला वो trauma? for 17 hours. It went on for 17 hours. Okay. Neerja Bhanot received the Dash India's highest civilian award for bravery. She received the Ashok Chakra. She received the Ashok Chakra, जो कि क्या है, इंडिया का हाईएस्ट सिविलियन अवार्ड. से इफ द गिवन स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू, टी, ट्रू के लिए टी लिखना है, एंड फॉल्स एफ. नीरजा वॉज अ सेंसिटिव एंड कंपैशनेट यंग वुमन. यस, ट्रू. Okay, this is true. After her marriage, Neerja returned to her parents within 1 year. No, this is false. She returned back within 2 months. The plane was hijacked by 4 heavily armed terrorists in Dubai. No, at Karachi. So this is also false. Neerja rushed to the emergency door and pushed it open. Yes, this is true. Write down T here. Okay? Now answer the following questions. How did Neerja show her courage in her personal life? अब उसकी personal life में नीरजा ने कैसे courage show किया था? When she got married and went to her husband who was in Gulf, there she was tortured for the dowry, and she returned back to her home, leaving her husband's home. She returned back just within 2 months of her marriage. How did the pilot get the information about the hijack? When Neerja came to know that the plane had been hijacked by 4 terrorists, she ran towards the cockpit to tell the pilot about the hijack code, but she was held by one of the terrorists. Then also she managed to shout and tell it to one of the crew member, who passed it on to the pilot, who passed the hijack code to the pilot. Why did Neerja have to take over the command of the aircraft? When the pilot came to know that the plane had been hijacked, then the cockpit crew, the pilot, the co-pilot and the engineer there, they fled away, leaving all the passengers and the crew members in the plane along with the terrorists. Then Neerja had to take command of the aircraft so that she could keep the passengers in comfort, and she showed her bravery there. How was Neerja's supreme sacrifice given its due recognition? कैसे दिया गया था उसको ड्यू रिकग्निशन? नीरजा की जो sacrifice था, जो उसने अपनी लाइफ गवाई, she had been given the many rewards had been repeating this. How was Neerja's supreme sacrifice given its due recognition? नीरजा ने जो sacrifice दिया अपनी लाइफ था, उसको recognition कैसे मिला? By the awards given to her after her death. और वो awards जो हैं वो आपने अभी chapter में पढ़े, just go through them and write them. On what basis are the recipients of the 2 awards selected by the trust formed in the memory of Neerja Bhanot? The 2 awards are given on the basis, one award is given to the crew member, to a crew member of the plane, of the aircraft, who shows the bravery. On what basis are the recipients of the 2 awards selected by the trust formed in memory of Neerja Bhanot? नीरजा भनोट की मेमोरी में जो ट्रस्ट बनाया गया है वो किस बेसिस पे वो 2 अवार्ड्स देते हैं? द 2 अवार्ड्स आर गिवन, द फर्स्ट वन इज गिवन टू द क्रू मेंबर, टू एनी वन क्रू मेंबर हु शोज द एक्सेप्शनल ब्रेवरी, एंड द सेकेंड वन इज गिवन टू एन इंडियन वुमन हु फाइट्स अगेंस्ट द सोशल evils. Okay children, let's start with the vocabulary now. एक टेबल दिया हुआ है आपको. Complete the following table as indicated by the examples. You may refer to the dictionary also. कुछ words दिए गए हैं और यहाँ वो लोग दिए हैं जो प्लेन में थे. नीरजा, पायलट, टेररिस्ट. अब कौन सा वर्ड किसके लिए सूट करता है? Sincere. कौन था sincere अपने वर्क में? Neerja was sincere. So Neerja has been ticked here. Hostile. Hostile, the terrorist. Then compassionate. Who was compassionate? Again, Neerja was compassionate. Philanthropist. Philanthropist होता है जो ज़रूरत के समय दूसरों की मदद करता है. Neerja was. Then अच्छा, I'll do one or two more. Then you will find out yourself. Coward. Coward कौन थे? कौन डरपोक थे? The pilot was coward. Fearless. Neerja again was fearless. Okay. So rest. You please find out and do it. So children, now let's write down some synonyms here. And what are synonyms? Synonyms are the meanings of that word. Write a synonym for each of the following. Hostage. Hostage means captive. The meaning, the similar meaning. Dedication, allocation. Hurdle, obstacle. Victory, success. Abandon, forsake. Compassion, empathy. Loyalty, faith. And frighten, afraid. Now write at least 3 phrasal or prepositional verbs with each of the following verbs. यहाँ verbs दिए हुए हैं, इसके साथ आपको prepositional verbs लिखने हैं. Preposition add करना है. Okay? So take. One example has been given. Take. Take on, take out, take away. Next is make. Make out, make up, make up for. Check, check out, check in, check on. Then call, call out, call off, call up. These are called prepositional verbs. Break, break up, break in, break out. Okay children? So now some grammar time. May and might. कहाँ may use करते हैं, कहाँ might use करते हैं. Read the following dialogue between Priya and her mother. हम एक dialogue पढ़ेंगे पहले प्रिया और उसकी मदर की का. Priya, Mummy, may I join the adventure club in school? Mummy, yes, you may. Priya, I might want to become a mountaineer sometime later in my life. Mummy, may God bless you and give you the strength to become one. Now, may. May is used to express a possibility. एक possibility express करने के लिए हम may use करते हैं. He may come home early. हो सकता है कि वो घर जल्दी आ जाए. एक possibility है, confirm नहीं है कुछ भी. May is used to take or give permission. या तो permission देना या permission लेना, उसके लिए may use होता है. You may join the meeting. Permission दिया. May I take my turn now? Permission ले रहे हैं हम किसी से. Okay? May is used to express a wish. एक कोई wish है, आपकी इच्छा है, उसको express करने के लिए. May you do well in life. May all your dreams come true. Fine children? Now, might. Might कहाँ use होता है? Might is used as the past tense form of may. May का past tense होता है might in the indirect speech. Lata said that she might join us for dinner. This is the indirect speech. The teacher said that she might consider taking us for a movie. Might is used to indicate a possibility. इसमें भी possibility indicate किया जाता है. Might indicates a smaller possibility than may. May में जो possibility होती है वो बड़ी होती है और might की possibility is a little smaller. This book might be useful to you. It probably will not be very useful, but it might be. हो सकता है. छोटी सी possibility है. She might get caught in the rain. She will probably not be caught. नहीं होगा, वो रेन में नहीं फंसेगी बारिश में, बट हो सकता है, छोटी सी एक पॉसिबिलिटी है कि वो बारिश में फंस जाए. Might is used to reapproach in a polite manner. एक polite way में approach करने का तरीका है. You might have told me about the vase you broke last night. हो सकता है आपने मुझे बताया हो, polite way में. You might pay a little more attention to your work. आप अपने वर्क पे थोड़ा और ज़्यादा ध्यान दे सकते. फ्रेम क्वेश्चंस विद मे टू गेट द फॉलोइंग आंसर्स. अब यहाँ आंसर दिया हुआ है, हमें क्वेश्चन फ्रेम करना है. एग्जाम्पल देखिए. आंसर इज नो यू मे नॉट, यू आरंट 18 येट. अब क्वेश्चन क्या बनेगा इसका? डैड may I learn to drive the car next month? क्या मैं गाड़ी चलाना सीख सकती हूँ next month? तो आंसर क्या है? No, you may not. You aren't 18 yet. Fine. So the answer is here, of course, you may buy one. Now we have to frame a question here. May I buy the colored pencil set? So of course, you may buy one set of colors. I certainly wouldn't appreciate that. I certainly wouldn't appreciate that. May I go and help the person standing on the road? I certainly wouldn't appreciate that. Okay. May I help? There's एक permission ले रहे हैं. May I help the person who is standing on the road? The answer comes, I certainly wouldn't appreciate that. So in this way you have to frame the questions, children. Now complete the following dialogue between a teacher and a student. Tarun, use may or might in the sentences you complete or frame. अब यहाँ may या might का use करना है. Teacher, Tarun, why hasn't Harish come to school for the last 2 days? Tarun, sir, he might be unwell. Possibility है कि वो ठीक ना हो. Okay, उसकी तबीयत खराब हो. So he might be unwell. हो सकता है. There is a possibility. He might, M-I-G-H-T, might be unwell. Teacher, if he is unwell, he would have sent me an application for leave. Tarun, may I call him from the school office? अब permission ली इसमें may I call him from the school office. Teacher, yes, you may tell the receptionist that I have asked you to do so. Yes, you may. Okay. Now complete the telephonic conversation between Varun and Harish. यहाँ भी एक telephonic conversation है, इसको complete करना है. तरुण, अब तरुण टेलीफोन पे क्या पूछता है? Are you Manish? Are you? Or is it Manish? Is it Manish? Now Manish says, I am Manish on the line. Tarun, Manish, this is Tarun. Why haven't you come to school? Manish says, I have been down with fever and a rash for the last 2 days. The doctor said that it might be measles. Possibility. A small possibility is there. It might be measles. If it is, it needs to recover. It needs time to recover. Fine. Tarun, may you get well soon. Tarun क्या बोलता है? May you get well soon. Fine. Now let's move further. Choose may or might correctly. God bless you with all that you desire. So यहाँ क्या आएगा? May. May God bless you with all that you desire. Yes, you dash leave now. You may leave now. You dash have told me about the watch you have lost. You might have told me. There are possibilities, small possibility here. You might have told me. I can't see many clouds in the sky. It may rain tomorrow. Or it might rain tomorrow. I can't see many clouds in the sky. It might rain. A small possibility है. It might rain tomorrow. May I help you? May. If you like, you may join us for lunch today. Sarita said that she might join the sports club. A short possibility. Geeta told Farid that she may go to Brazil for the following summer. She may go to Brazil. Now, the speaking skills. Look at the following picture. There's a picture, earth, and all the children holding their hands around it. Discuss with your partner how we can end conflicts and bring peace in this world. Write down your ideas and share them with the rest of the class. अब ये जो पिक्चर दिख रही है यहाँ पे, इसमें all the children are holding their hands. तो आप अपने पार्टनर के साथ आपकी क्लास में जो भी आपका क्लासमेट है उसके साथ डिस्कस कर सकते हैं कि कैसे लड़ाई झगड़ा दूर करके इस दुनिया में शांति लाई जा सकती है, कैसे एक दूसरे के साथ मिलजुल के रह सकते हैं। एग्जाम्पल, रिस्पेक्ट अदर पीपल्स ओपिनियंस एंड बिलीव्स। दूसरों के ओपिनियंस और बिलीव्स को रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए। नाउ राइटिंग स्किल्स, अ हाईजैक स्टोरी। If the 3-member cockpit crew of the hijacked aircraft had not fled, perhaps the story would be different. अब जो आपने नीरजा भनोट की अभी हमने चैप्टर पढ़ा, उसमें जो स्टोरी पढ़ी, उसमें क्या था कि जो क्रू मेंबर्स कॉकपिट क्रू था, वो तीनों पायलट, को पायलट एंड द इंजीनियर, वो भाग गए थे प्लेन को छोड़ के, सब पैसेंजर्स को ऐसे ही छोड़ के हाईजैकर्स के हाथ में। तो अगर वो नहीं भागते तो स्टोरी कुछ और होती। नीरजा's टीम would have been strengthened. वो जो नीरजा का क्रू था पूरा, वो स्ट्रेंथन होता और उस ताकत होती उनमें, वो तीनों अगर वहीं होते। The passengers would have felt more confident. Communication with the airport authorities would have been faster. क्योंकि जो कम्युनिकेशन होता है वो पायलट ही करता है एयरपोर्ट अथॉरिटीज के साथ। Perhaps the hijackers could have been overpowered. नीरजा would have been alive today. नीरजा जिंदा होती है, सबके बीच में होती। Now write a story based on hijack, but in your story the cockpit crew do not abandon the aircraft. Give your story a happy ending. आपको एक स्टोरी लिखनी है ऐसी ही हाईजैक की, लेकिन उसमें आपकी स्टोरी में जो कॉकपिट क्रू है वो भागता नहीं है छोड़ के, और उसकी एक हैप्पी एंडिंग होती है। सो ट्राई टू राइट डाउन द स्टोरी। Values, in group of 4, design a poster for a rally to promote peace in the country. कंट्री में पीस लाने के लिए एक पोस्टर आपको बनाना है। डिजाइन अ पोस्टर, एक रैली निकलेगी, उस रैली के लिए पोस्टर्स बनाने हैं। You may use the points you have listed in D2 to create 2 slogans for your poster. पोस्टर के लिए स्लोगन्स बनाइए, पिक्चर्स पेस्ट कीजिए, कलरफुल ड्राइंग्स बनाइए and display the posters on the school notice board, और स्कूल के नोटिस बोर्ड पे उसको डिस्प्ले कीजिए। Fine children? So here we end up with the chapter, and I hope you enjoyed the chapter and you learned how Neerja Bhanot had showed her bravery, and she is the pride of our country too. So stay tuned for the new video. We'll meet soon with a new chapter. Till then, have a wonderful time. Bye.